महायुति गठबंधन को लेकर शिवसेना उद्धव बालासाहेब ठाकरे के सांसद अरविंद सावंत ने कहा, ये लोग दबाव बना रहे हैं। महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा अध्यक्ष के भाई अशोक पाटिल के तहत चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। जो अभी चुनाव लड़ रहा है वह महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा अध्यक्ष के डर से पिछले 3 दिनों से फरार है। वे अपने घर तक नहीं गया है। मैं मुंबई के पुलिस आयुक्त से अनुरोध करता हूं कि उन्हें सूचना प्रदान की जाए।
Same thing is happening in Mumbai. They are pressurizing. See what has happened in 226. What number 226? There were 3 candidates. One, brother of the Speaker of the Maharashtra Assembly, Makarand Narvekar, is contesting. Another guy whose name was some Ashok Patil, he has somehow withdrawn it. And the one who is contesting right now is absconding for last 3 days under the fear and the terror of the Honorable Speaker of the Maharashtra Assembly. He is threatening them, he is luring them, he is trying to give him all bribes and asking him to withdraw. What is your status? The gentleman was standing over here just now, and you won't believe the day he has filled up the form. Last 3 days he has not gone to his house. Now even his wife is also, because wife is going to contest. She also has not reached his house. Both of them are absconding under the terror of the Speaker of the Assembly. Therefore, through this, I request the Police Commissioner of Mumbai to grant protection to them. If anything happens wrong with them, it is solely responsible. The Speaker of the Maharashtra Assembly and his family members are solely responsible. Goods are going to his home and terrorizing to withdraw. For last 3 years, he has not taken even a bath, running from pillar to post to protect himself. Is it a democracy? And this is the way how unopposed candidates are getting elected in Maharashtra or all over in other places too.
How do you see the politics over mayors? Some are claiming North Indian will be mayor.
This is what nonsense. You people, I pray you not to indulge and precipitate such issues. These are not the issues of Mumbai. Mumbai's issue is the protection of Mumbai. Mumbai's issue is a health issue. Mumbai's issue, the existence of Marathi people and the Aspita of Marathi people. That is what is main issues of the Mumbai. What we have done in the past, we have proved it. How best the Honorable Uddhavji Thackeray has delivered to the Mumbaikars. And this is the way we want to go further with that. May it be health, may it be education, may it be water, may it be infrastructure. The Uddhavji Thackeray, the way he has worked in Mumbai is outstanding. Do you remember that he was praised by none other than World Health Organization? He was praised in Washington Post newspaper. He was the best chief minister during COVID. He has saved the lives of the Mumbai people, and therefore Mumbai people know it. The Dharavi pattern, that the word itself was accepted by Washington Post and W. They themselves, even the Chief Justice of India has appreciated Uddhavji Thackeray, but where he protected the lives of the Mumbaikars. That is what is more important than all these nonsense things.
Then how confident are you about your
We are confident. Mumbaikars are very much confident about it, and we believe that they know Thackeray brand is the only brand, because now not only Uddhavji Thackeray, Raj Sahib Thackeray has also joined him, and that is going to enhance our power.